Hello friends, welcome to Chaco's tutorial, Spoken English class, day 13. Today we are going to deal with another conversation. The topic for the conversation is time and the calendar. Time and the calendar. Before I go into the conversation, if you are new to my channel, please press the share button, like button and subscribe button. Now let's come back to time and the calendar. In this conversation, I have two people, Peter and John. So Peter asked a question, when does February have 29 days? 29 days. When does February have 29 days? In February, normally there are 28 days in every year, but in certain year we find 29 days. That is a question asked by Peter. So John replied, in leap year. So he said, in leap year, February have 29 days. So Peter asked another question, how often is there a leap year? How often is there a leap year? So John said, every fourth year. Every fourth year. So in every 4 years we get a leap year, and February will have 29 days every fourth year. So when does February have 29 days in leap year? How often is there a leap year? Every fourth year. They continued the conversation. So Peter asked, how many days are there in a leap year? How many days are there in a leap year? So the John's reply was, there are 366 days. 366 days in a leap year. So how many days are there? 366 days in a leap year. Normally 365 days are there in an year, but when leap year, February have 29 days, so there are 366 days in a leap year. Then Peter asked another question, how many weeks are there in a year? Are there in a year? So John said, there are 52 weeks there are 52 weeks in a year. There are 52 weeks in a year. That is what John said. There are 52 weeks in a year. So if you see these questions, how many days are there in a leap year? So the answer begins with there are 366 days in a leap year. Then how many weeks are there in a year? Again are there. So your answer begins with there are. Right? So then he asked another question. The question was, what are the seasons in this country? In this country means in our country, what are the seasons? So John said winter, spring, summer, and fall. Fall means autumn. Another word for autumn is fall. Fall, yeah, autumn. So there are, here you find winter, spring, summer, and fall. So then he asked a question, how many months are there in a season? How many months are there in a season? So he said there are 3 months. There are 3 months in each season. In each season. So there are 3 months. So 4 3s are 12. There are 12 months in a year. So there are 3 months in each season. What are the seasons in this country? Winter, spring, summer, and fall. How many months are there in a season? There are 3 months in each season. Then Peter said, Today is the first day of spring. He said, today is the first day of spring. That means this conversation is taking place in the month of March. 21st of March, the spring begins. So today is the first day of spring. So John said, I didn't realize it. I didn't realize it. He said, I was not aware of it. Then Peter asked, aren't you glad? Glad means happy. Aren't you glad it is here? That means he says, are you not happy since spring is here? Then John said, I am always glad when winter is over. I am always glad when winter is over. So he said, today is the first day of spring. I didn't realize it. Aren't you glad it is here? I am always glad when winter is over. So this is a small conversation which will help you to speak English in a better way. Now I will give you a small exercise. I will just show you here, which also will help you to speak English better. Yes, I will write one sentence here, then we can substitute other words in that sentence. The weather is perfect today, isn't it? One question was asked, isn't it? The weather was perfect today, isn't it? So this word perfect you can change and substitute other words. We can say the weather is terrible today. The weather is terrible today, isn't it? So this word will be replaced by terrible. We can also replace by another word like wonderful. The weather is wonderful today, isn't it? Perfect can be replaced by wonderful. Wonderful means very nice. Then another word awful. Awful means very bad. The weather is awful today, isn't it? The weather is unusual today. Unusual means not the normal. So the weather is unusual today, isn't it? We can also say the weather is unusually nice. That means normally it is not like this. It is something different today, very nice weather. Normally we don't get like this type of weather here. So the weather is unusually nice today, isn't it? So we can substitute instead of perfect these words. You can also add more words and try out this sentence. So from one sentence you can keep on learning different words as well as how to frame a question. This will help you to frame a question and put more words and learn. So please follow this conversation as well as this exercise, which will help you to speak English easily. Thank you very much for watching this video.